Good morning dear students. I Sumandangi welcome you all in our English class. Today we are going to study sentences. What is sentence beta? A sentence is a group of words that gives us a complete meaning. Like I am saying that Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. So it is giving you complete meaning that Ram is a good boy. But when I am saying Ram, they are the group of words, but they are not giving the complete meaning. So this is not a complete sentence. Complete meaning. So what is sentence beta? Sentence is a group of words that gives us a complete meaning. Let's read today's topic, sentence. Yes beta. See here, today's topic is beta, sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. In other words, you can say that a group of words that gives a complete meaning is called a sentence. Like I am saying Ram. It is group of words, but it is not giving a complete sense. When I am saying that he is very poor, that time it is giving a complete sense. So it is a sentence. So what is sentence beta? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Let's discuss about the kinds of sentence. First one is statement. Second is interrogative. Next is imperative. Next is exclamatory. And next one is optative. Let's discuss in detail beta. Yes beta, our first kind of sentence is statement. Statement has also other names, declarative or assertive. They all are the names of one sentence. Some books you will find out statements, in other book you can find declarative, or in other book you can find assertive. They all are the name of one sentence. And what is the definition of this statement? A sentence that states or declares something is called a statement sentence. अगर पेपर में आ जाता है what is declarative sentence, तो definition will be the same. A sentence that states or declares something is called a declarative sentence. अगर पेपर में आ जाए what is assertive sentence, तो definition will be same. A sentence that states or declares something is called a statement sentence. I think बेटा definition आप सभी को learn होगी. See the examples बेटा. Sonu is a good boy. Here this is statement sentence because I am giving the statement that Sonu is a good boy. Neha writes well. So here this is also a statement sentence. Sonu is not a good boy. Here you can see that not. We have written here not. तो जो statement sentence होते हैं बेटा, they could be negative or positive. They could be negative or positive. In other words, you can say that we can give the statements in negative way or positive way. But जो statement sentence होते हैं always start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. If we are not putting full stop, it means our sentence is not completed. So what is statement sentence? A sentence that states or declares something is called a statement sentence. Is it clear beta? Yes beta. First we have read statement sentence and second one is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? A sentence that is used to ask questions. And interrogative sentence always start with the interrogative word and ends with the question mark. Let's read beta. A sentence that used to ask question is called a interrogative sentence, or you can say that question sentence. Both are the same sentence. What is your name? What is your name? Always जो आपके interrogative sentences हैं, they start with a question word and ends with a question mark. What is your name? Next one is who stood first in your class? So see here beta, this is start from the question word and ends with a question mark. This is an interrogative sentence. Next one is what is the color of the sky? In this sentence also beta, this is starting from the interrogative word and ends with a question mark. I think beta it is clear to you. And an interrogative sentence is used to ask questions and they always start with the interrogative word and ends with a question mark. Yes beta. Next our sentence is a sentence imperative sentence, a sentence that used to express command, request or order. That is called imperative sentence. It is used to give command, request or order. Let's read. A sentence that expresses a command, request or order is called an imperative sentence. Let's see the example. See the example beta. Switch off the fan. Here I am giving order to you that go and switch off the fan. Shut the door. I am giving order to you that shut the door. This is an imperative sentence. Please give me a glass of water. Please give me water. So this is I am requesting you. Next is sit down. I am giving command to you. So beta imperative sentences expresses command, request or order. When we do command, request or order to someone, that time they are called the imperative sentences. I think it is clear to you beta? Yes beta. Next our sentence is exclamatory sentence. What are exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences shows the strong feeling, surprise or the sudden feeling. Let's read. A sentence that expresses strong, sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Or in other words, you can say that when we say something and expressions are coming on our face, so that type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. Like, how nice of you. How nice. The expressions are coming on my face. So these are the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences always start with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. Clear to you? Next one is wow. What a beautiful flower. Here wow is an interjection. Wow. When we are saying wow, the expressions are coming on my face. So this is an exclamatory sentence. What a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture. When I am saying what a beautiful picture, the expressions are coming on my face. So this is also an exclamatory sentence. Next is how cold the night is. How cold. When I am saying the expressions are coming on my face, so these type of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence express strong or sudden feeling. I think it is clear to you beta? Yes beta. Next one is beta optative sentence. Optative sentences में क्या होता है बेटा? When we wish or prayer for someone, that type of sentences are called optative sentences. Optative sentences are used to wish or prayer for someone. Let's discuss optative sentence. A sentence that shows wish or prayer for someone. Like I am saying, may God bless you. So I am doing prayer for you. So this is an optative sentence. In the next sentence, may you live long. I am doing wish for you that may you live long. So this is an optative sentence. Today we have discussed about the sentences beta. I think it is clear to you. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that gives us a complete meaning. There are 5 sentences in English: statement, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory and the last one is optative. If you have any problem, then you can discuss with her. Thank you.